Hey guys, today we are going to differentiate a function using quotient rule. So this is a formula, f over g, we are differentiating it. So formula is f dash g minus g dash of g bar divided by g squared. Always when you take the function, g should be the denominator. Don't mix it up. G should be the denominator. Remember from yesterday's the product rule, f dot g dash is equal to f dash g plus g dash. That was the formula for the product rule. Now this is for quotient rule. This is the formula, right? Okay. Now we are going to differentiate this function. Y is equals e to the power of 5x divided by 3x squared minus 4. Now we are going to use that formula. We are taking f is equals, we take the numerator as f, 2 e to the power of 5x. We have to differentiate that function. We had f dash, so we have 2 times differentiating an exponential function, we get the same function. Then you differentiate the power times 5, so we have 10 e to the power of 5x. Right, that's our f. Now we take g should be always the denominator. G is equal to 3x squared minus 4. Then you differentiate it, we have g dash is equal to, differentiate that one, we get 6x, right? So now we have everything. What we are going to do, we are going to do the substitution into the formula. Okay, I'm not writing the formula. So f over g dash is equals f dash is equal to 10 e to the power of 5x. G is given as equal times 3x squared minus 4 minus g dash is given as 6x times f is equals to 2 e to the power of 5x divided by 3x squared minus 4, the whole thing squared. That is the answer, but simplified. So if you want to get a g, you can leave the answer into this form, but plus simplified. How do you simplify here? Can you see there is an e to the power 5x, e to the power 5x, you take that e to the power 5x common outside, e to the power of 5x common, then we have 10 bracket 3x squared minus 4 minus 6x. 6 times 2, we have 12x. We have 12x inside, divided by 3x squared minus 4, the whole thing squared. Let's tidy up. Let's open the bracket. Let's open the bracket. I'm just going to remove that one. When you open the bracket, we have e to the power of 5x times, that one became 30 x squared minus 40, 10 times 40 minus 12x divided by 3x squared minus 4, the whole thing squared. So if you want to put them in a bracket, now let's write it in order. So e to the power of 5x bracket x squared first, x second, and constant last, divided by 3x squared minus 4, the whole thing squared. That is the answer for the first one. You can leave the answer in an unsimplified form, that's an achieve, but always simplify. If possible, simplify up to here, or you can stop in between, right? Okay, let's look at the second one. Question number 2. Y equals x squared plus 6x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1. So this is our f. Differentiating it, I have f dash is equals to 2x plus 6, differentiating. This is our g, and the g dash is equal to, okay, the numerator is f. When I differentiate it, I have 2x plus 6. Denominator is g. When I differentiate g, I have 2. Now I'm going to put it in the formula. Formula says y dash is equal to f dash g minus g dash f divided by g squared. That's a formula. Okay, let's substitute these values. F dash is given as 2x plus 6 times g is given as 2x plus 1 minus g dash is given as 2, f is given as x squared plus 6x minus 3 divided by g squared is 2x plus 1, the whole thing squared. That's the answer. Okay, let's simplify the numerator. When you simplify the numerator, let's open the bracket. That's equals, I'm multiplying 2x times 2x, we have 4x squared. And multiplying this way, I get plus 2x. Plus here you multiply, get plus 12x plus 6 minus, there's negative 2 outside, so we have negative 2x squared, negative 12x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 1, the whole thing squared. Let's tidy up the numerator. When you tidy up the numerator, can you see that 4x squared and minus 2x squared, we have 2x squared. 2x plus 12x, we have 14x. 14x, take away 12x, we have plus 2x. Plus 6, we have 12 divided by 2x plus 1, the whole thing squared. That is the answer. Number 3. So y is equal to cos x over 1 plus sin x. Okay, we are going to use a quotient rule. As usual, we are going to take f is equal to cos x, f dash is equal to, when you're differentiating cos x, we get minus sin x. Please look at your formula sheet. Differentiating a cos x, we are getting minus sin x, and g is given as 1 plus sin x. When you are differentiating this function, we have cos x. 1 became 0, sin x became cos x. Now we are going to chuck everything into the formula. F over g dash is equals, formula says f dash g minus g dash f divided by g squared. That is equals, f dash is minus sin x times g is equal to 1 plus sin x minus g dash is equal to cos x times f is also cos x divided by g squared, 1 plus sin x, the whole thing squared. I have to be very careful when I'm simplifying it. Alright, so okay, this is the answer. You can leave the answer this way, but I always encourage you guys to simplify it. Alright, let's simplify the numerator. Let's open the bracket. We multiply this way, we have minus sin x. That minus and minus, we have minus sin squared x. Sin x times sin x, we have sin to the power of 2. Minus cos x times cos x, we have cos squared x divided by 1 plus sin x to the power of 2. Okay, when you look at your numerator, can you see there as negative signs? So I'm going to take a negative sign outside. When you take a negative sign outside, I have sin x plus sin squared x plus cos squared x divided by 1 plus sin x to the power of 2. Okay, do you remember from our 3.3 trigonometry, there's a formula, sin squared x plus cos squared x. Sin squared x plus cos squared x, we know the answer is 1. Please look at the formula sheet. We know that sin squared x plus cos squared is equal to 1. So I'm going to write minus sin x plus, I'm going to write minus, this way I'm going to write it this way, that minus sin x plus 1, that is 1 plus sin x to the power of 2. Does that make sense? So this one, we know that is 1. So I write minus sin x plus 1. Okay. Look at this one. 1 plus sine x, 1 plus sine x. I'll cancel that one. I'm going to cancel this one. So we have negative 1 in the numerator. Answer is 1 plus sine x. That is the final answer. Thank you. So what we are going to do today, your calculus workbook, page number 112 and 113.